Aluminum dent repair. Hi there, today at Sioux Falls Dent Repair, we are working on this tailgate of a 2017 F250. Now this is a all aluminum pickup. One unknown fact to a lot of people is aluminum is actually a lot harder to damage and much harder to repair as well. We're going to show you a little bit of access here. So we've got the tailgate lowered down with the upper trim piece taken off here. And we're going to go ahead and shut it for you and show you what we've got here. What you're looking at is the top tailgate piece lifted off, and we've actually got factory holes here that are in the top that are going to allow us to gain access to the points of damage here. Obviously, as you can see, the damage has already been fixed, but this is how we gained access to actually push this damage out. Here's what the inside looks like once that trim piece is off. As you can see, it's wide open. Well, here we are, just taking a look at the finished results here. As you can see, we were able to get that damage out 100% using the paintless dent repair method. Even on aluminum, it's no big deal for us. Anyways, if you need any type of dent repair on any type of aluminum or steel panel for that matter, give us a call at 605-595-4061. We'd be happy to fix you up. Thanks for watching.